Hi, Professor. I hope you are fine. My name is Boadil Rashid and this is my representation. I will start, okay? Do you really know what real numbers are? This is the number that we can represent it on the number line. The real numbers can broadly classify as rational and irrational numbers. We need to define them. For example, 1 by 3, 5 by 6, minus 7 by 12. But the basic definition, this is the number that have a form P by Q, P in the numerator and Q in denominator. P and Q integers, positive or negative. Another important condition, Q should not be equal to 0 and PQ don't have a common factor. On the other hand, a rational number cannot be expressed ratio like P by Q, and when expressed in decimal notation, no terminating and no recurrent decimals. One very interesting question coming to the head. Are there any other kind of numbers? Let me ask you another one. Can you take off numbers when squared result a negative number? Yes. A number which multiplied itself gives negative number. We will try. 3 times 3, 9, positive. Negative 5 times negative 5, 25, positive. Negative root 3 times negative root 3, 3, positive again. No luck. We will come back to this, don't worry. We study quadratic equation in middle school. And we know if x squared minus 9 equal to 0, x equal to 3 or negative 3. Now try to find the solution x squared plus 1 equal to 0. Do you think there is no solution to this one? If you didn't get the answer, it is not a problem. Let's understand the situation now. Squared number is always positive, but the number x was positive real number or negative 1. Conclusion. A negative number don't have real square roots. If we have like a negative 9, we say that its square root now exists. Do you remember how you found the solution of quadratic equation using the formula? If discriminant b squared minus 4ac was negative, we say there is no roots of the quadratic equation. In our example, x squared plus 1 equal to 0 will not have any real roots, as the value of discriminant is negative 4. What we will do with this? What was the problem here? It's easy. Square root negative 1 not exist for us. We said there is no solution for x squared plus 1 equal to 0. However, in 16th century is the mathematician Cardan who started to think about solution of quadratic equation with negative discriminant. But it is Euler in 18th century who gives square root negative 1 a symbol I and call it unit imaginary number. There is something to imagine, no real. Now return in our situation. X squared plus 1 equal to 0. Transposing 1 to the right hand side and taking the square root on both sides, we have the solution. X equal to plus I or minus I. This is the value of x. This is the solution. This concept gives us a possibility to calculate square root of all negative numbers. Now let's play around this basic formula. I plus IB. This is another number. This is the new number. This is the complex number. Today, the most people find the complex number incomprehensible or difficult to understand. But on the other side, the engineering using it in study of phenomenon of resonance. For example, in electromagnetism, when you represented electro by a real part and magnetic by imaginary part, they make calculation very easy. We can use it in all periodic process because periodic process may be represented by a periodic function and periodic function may be represented by complex form. Thank you very much, Professor. Thank you.